Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Let's go ride some bikes in the dirt. Stick around. So just about an hour north of Tampa is this area called Croom. Now I've heard about it for years and never had the opportunity to get up here and get in the dirt. Well, I think it's more like sand up in this area. So today we're gonna check out the pushrod popper to see if we could change the name of it and see how well it runs. But I didn't come alone, I brought a friend with me. So let's introduce you to Andy. All right, so here's my buddy Andy. I know this guy from every morning, what, about 4:30, something like that.
4:30.
We're in the gym lifting heavy circles, and this guy's out like sweating already, and by the time I get there. But Andy has been riding bikes, gosh, how long?
Probably about 15 years now.
15 years. So what got you into it?
Well, when I was a kid, my dad bought me a motorcycle when I was 4 for Christmas.
What kind of bike was it?
A Z50, Honda Z50, back before they made the XR50.
Yeah, because I had an XR75 was my first one, so yeah, man, cool.
So that was my first bike. He bought it when I was 4. I was too scared to ride it, so I don't think I touched it till I was about 6.
Okay. That's still young.
It is, but I rode it for maybe a year or so, and then just lost interest in it. And then about 13 or 14,
You got the bug.
I got a 125.
That testosterone started to go.
That's right.
So about 15 years you've been riding.
Yeah.
You've had a lot of bikes, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Throughout the process.
Yeah, plenty.
Today, what are you riding?
I'm riding a 2023 YZ250 two-stroke.
That's a Yamaha, right?
Correct.
YZ. See, I have to get up on all of this modern stuff. You know, guys, I ride the old stuff. But inside his van, he has a really cool bike. But he's not riding it today. What is that?
That is a 2022 gas 450.
Big racing thing. So he was saying the gas is how much?
For the VP, it's like $120 for 5 gallons.
That's stupid. That's stupid. We're going off pump gas here today. He's on a 2-stroke. I'm on the 4-stroke. I don't have a whole lot of experience, so I'm gonna be following you around, and you're probably gonna leave me in the dirt or in the sand, whatever you want to call it here.
That's fine. This is both of our first times out here, so we're gonna do a little bit of exploring and learning while we're out here.
Yeah,
I'm usually a track guy.
Yeah, well, it's kind of nice to have this like right here within an hour away from us. So that's super.
Nice.
So you're a track guy, I'm a street guy, so we're gonna figure it out. So let's get these bikes unloaded and get them going.
Let's do it.
So as many of you guys know, that the last time that I was on this motorcycle was in California, ripping through the Mojave Desert, and that was all due to my friends over at Odin. They hooked me up, sponsored it, so I figured if I'm gonna ride again today, I kind of want to give them homage to what they did, and with that, I hooked Andy up with some Odin swag. Got you a hat, got you some all kinds of cool stuff inside there. So we got him hooked up. Now that we have Odin gear.
Thank you, Odin.
Yes. Now that we have Odin gear, we can go ride some motorcycles.
Let's do it.
All right, let's get on them. All right, let's see what we got. All right, Andy's gonna lead the way. Whenever you're ready. Man, talk about being a hot minute. And we are in Florida, and all it is a bunch of sand. Andy is way more experienced on this stuff than I am. He's having a good time, and I'm like, I just don't want to die.
on before I fall down. I tell you what, I probably shouldn't have done a leg day yesterday with my wife, because my legs are pretty smoked. Killed it. Get a neutral, kick it. I did it. Yeah. I suck. I should have done legs.
Yeah. What? It's pretty bumpy too.
right, Andy. I don't know about you, but it's a little hot out here for this.
A little toasty. That good Florida summer heat, isn't it?
Yeah. So about 2 hours worth of 2 hours out in the woods.
Yeah.
Stopped a couple times, let the bike cool down. It's not conducive for this hot weather, being a 4-stroke and being air cooled.
Yeah.
Your little 2-stroke was ripping. I know you're having a good time out there. So
It was a blast.
What would be your highlight of the day?
Probably sand pit. I really like the sand pit, yeah.
That was a big area. I didn't know. I came out in that open and I was like, what in the world is going on? So super cool. Well, we're going to come back.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
I'm going to come back with a different bike, probably that Triumph Cub that I've been working on. But we're going to make sure the temperature's cooler. So
maybe October, November timeframe would be a little bit better.
October, November. So yes. Well, guys, that's wrapping it up. We're here for us here at Croom Motorcycle, I don't know, place, resort area.
Recreation area,
ripping it around with my good friend Andy. Once again, thank you to Odin for making things like this happen for us. But we're wrapping it up right here, guys. So we thank you for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. with Andy,
yeah,
the 2-stroke king. Woo! Peace!